Welcome to Reviews and Info by Ash. Today we are going to see the new phones which are going to be launched in India in July 2020. So the first phone is Vivo X50 series. This is world's first gimbal style camera phone. So it is a 5G phone which is going to be launched in India. It is going to come with a Snapdragon processor, maybe 865 or 765, with 50 megapixel camera, and battery details have not been given. So by July end, this phone will be launched in India. So if you see, Realme is going to launch two phones in the month of July. In that, Realme C11 is a version which has been launched earlier as C3. So they are directly launching C11, and this phone is going to come with 6.5-inch display, MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, dual camera, 5000 mAh battery, and it is going to cost rupees 11,000 in India, and it will be launched in the month of July. So it has a different camera module setup, which is introduced first time by Realme. The other phone of Realme is Realme 6s, and Realme 6s has these specifications. It is coming with display of 90Hz, MediaTek Helio G90T processor, 48 megapixel camera, 5000 mAh battery, and it's going to cost rupees 14,000, and it will be launched in the month of July in India. Poco M2 Pro is going to be launched in the month of July as confirmed by its GM Mr. Manmohan. So the following specifications can be expected. It's going to have an AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 765G processor, 48 megapixel camera, and it's going to be priced around rupees 21,000. It is definitely going to be launched in the month of July in India, that's for sure. Redmi 9, which has been already launched in China for rupees 8,500, is going to be launched in India in the month of July, and it would cost around rupees 12,000 to 13,000. Because of GST, the price is going to go up. So it's going to come with 6.53-inch display, MediaTek Helio G80 processor, 13 megapixel quad camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 5020 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. So this will be launched in the month of July. This is what we are expecting. Redmi K30 Pro, which is also known as Poco F2 Pro. So Redmi K30 Pro is going to be launched in India, and it is expected to be launched in the month of July. And the following specifications it has 6.67 full view display, Snapdragon 865 processor, 64 megapixel camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 33 watt fast charging, and it's going to be priced around rupees 36,000. It may be launched in the month of July in India. Samsung M51 has the look of Samsung A51. So the following specifications it has: 6.5-inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 675 or 730 chipset, 64 megapixel quad camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery, and it's going to be priced around rupees 21,000. Samsung M31s is a better version of Samsung M31, and M31s is going to have in-display fingerprint and a 30 watts fast charger. It is having the following specification: 6.4-inch AMOLED screen, Exynos 9611 processor, 64 megapixel camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery, and it's going to be priced around rupees 17,000 in India. Those who want a non-Chinese budget range phone can opt for Samsung M31s as of now. Google Pixel 4a is going to be launched in the month of July, and it would come for sale in the month of November. So many are waiting for Google Pixel 4a. So the following is the specification: 5.81-inch display, Snapdragon 730 processor, 12 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 3080 mAh battery, and it would cost rupees 30,000. Motorola Edge Lite is going to be launched in the month of July. So the specification is 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 765G processor, 48 megapixel quad camera, 4800 mAh battery, and going to be priced around rupees 25,000 in India. Moto One Fusion, a lighter version of Moto One Fusion Plus, is going to be launched in India with following specification: 6.5-inch IPS LCD, Snapdragon 710 chipset, 48 megapixel quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, and it's going to be priced around rupees 12,000. So it's a non-Chinese Asus phone. So those who want to buy a phone at a lesser price can opt for this now. Please make note that this is going to be a stock Android phone. Those who like stock Android can buy this. Asus is going to launch two phones in the month of July. In that, Asus Zenfone 7Z is expected, and it may be launched in the month of July. It has AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 865 processor. That's it. No more information is given. So Asus ROG 3 phone is definitely going to be launched in the month of July, and it is a very good gaming phone. So those who love to do gaming can buy this phone. Following are the specifications. It is coming with an AMOLED screen, 144Hz display, Snapdragon 865 processor, 64 megapixel triple camera, 6000 mAh battery, and 30 watts fast charging. It cost around 46,000 in India. So it will be launched in July. So OnePlus Z, OnePlus Nord, or it may be known as OnePlus 8 Lite phone. So a medium budget phone from OnePlus is going to be launched in the month of July with following specifications. It has 6.4-inch Full HD plus OLED display, Snapdragon 765G processor. Then it has 48 megapixel quad camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh battery, and it will be priced on rupees 23,000 in India. So OnePlus Nord is a phone for which many people are waiting. It would be a 5G phone is what is expected. It is likely to be launched in India in the month of July. So OnePlus Nord is going to be a very good phone for a lesser rate. So those who want to buy a OnePlus phone below 23,000 rupees, this is the phone to buy. You can buy it. Thank you for watching Reviews and Info by Ash. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and post your comments below.